In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier AI automation like a pro, 5 minutes. If you're new to Zapier, think of it as a way to connect your apps so repetitive tasks happen automatically. We'll use Zapier's AI to plan the workflow, then polish and publish it so it runs on its own. First, log into your Zapier account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the AI Copilot. In the prompt box, describe what you want in plain English. Be specific about the trigger and the outcome, like collecting new form entries, sending a confirmation email, and saving details to a spreadsheet. The clearer your description, the better the draft it produces. Zapier's AI will suggest the apps, the trigger that starts your workflow, and the actions that follow. It will lay out the steps for you automatically, review what it proposes, and tweak the details so it matches your exact process and tools. Next, take a moment to review the suggested Zap and connect the accounts it needs to access. You'll be prompted to authorize each app once, which is secure and required for Zapier to pass data between them. Confirm you're using the correct workspaces and profiles, then continue. If you'd rather build it more traditionally, you can still use AI for guidance. From the dashboard, click Make a Zap or Create a Zap to open the editor. Start by choosing your trigger app and the event that will kick everything off, such as a new submission or a new row added somewhere. Connect the trigger app to Zapier by authorizing access, then pull in a sample to make sure the right data is coming through. This helps you see real fields you can map later. Now add your actions. These are the steps Zapier will take after the trigger fires, such as sending an email, creating a spreadsheet row, or posting a message in a chat tool. You can chain multiple actions to complete a full process. Use data mapping to pass fields from the trigger into your actions. For example, drop the form respondent's email into the to field or insert names and dates into message templates. Dynamic fields make each run personalized and accurate. Zapier also includes built-in AI steps that can format messy data, generate short-code snippets, or produce helpful summaries. Keep your instructions brief and precise so the AI's output is consistent. Finally, run a test to verify each step, check the results, and then publish your Zap so it runs automatically. Name it clearly, turn it on, and you're done. You've just built a pro-level automation with Zapier's AI.